What about sealed chip flushing?
So for long-running jobs, oftentimes the only reason you have to stop running, nowadays everyone has automatic barred loaders and such, so the material keeps being fed in, but you have to stop the machine just to clean out the chips in the sub-spindle, and it will start to interfere with the collet closure. With our cartridge in the machine, unlike a traditional collet, our cartridge does not have slots in it, and the configuration of a traditional collet means that chips can go into the slots, and then with the way the spindle cap nut seats on the traditional collet, centrifugal force actually pulls the chips into the spindle over time, and they'll build up in there like mud. With our cartridge in there, that can't happen. The chips can't go past the cartridge, so everything tends to go out the front. We've had many customers tell us, yeah, I used to have to stop the machine like once or twice a week just to clean out the sub-spindle. This thing's been running for like 3 weeks and we haven't had to clean it out or anything. It makes a huge difference over time, keeping those chips out. It really improves the reliability of lights out machining.
There was a customer recently that, they go for 2 weeks without, having to clean it out. They can run it over an entire weekend, leave that machine running and no worries. Saturday evening they're having a beer and they're not worried about that machine running.
Yeah, there's no better way to make money with a screw machine than to have it run lights out and make parts reliably while you're having a beer or whatever is your fancy.